When we think of protein, the egg is often our go-to familiar, reliable, and packed with nutrients. But what if there's a food that doesn't just match the egg but completely outclasses it in protein content by 10 times? This isn't a futuristic invention, but an ancient microscopic powerhouse from the water, a deep green superfood that could change how we fuel our bodies. Today, we're pitting the classic egg against this nutritional giant in a head-to-head showdown. We'll look beyond just protein quantity, diving into quality bioavailability and the extra health-boosting compounds each brings to the table. On one side, the solid, familiar egg. On the other, a mysterious green powder. Appearances can be deceiving, and the science behind this green marvel is what truly matters. We'll explore why protein is so vital, then reveal the identity of this protein powerhouse. Get ready to discover a contender that could revolutionize your health and redefine what you consider the ultimate protein source. Let the showdown begin. Before we crown a winner, let's understand why protein matters so much. Protein isn't just for athletes. It's the foundation of your muscles, bones, skin, and hair. It repairs tissues, supports growth, and keeps your body's structure intact. Enzymes and hormones, both crucial for digestion to mood, are made of protein. Your immune system relies on protein to create antibodies, your first line of defense against illness. Without enough protein, your body can't heal, grow, or protect itself effectively. Every cell in your body needs it to function. That's why finding the best protein source is so important. It's not just about feeling full, it's about giving your body the raw materials it needs to thrive. So which contender delivers these building blocks most efficiently? Let's find out. Meet spirulina, the ancient blue-green algae that's about to steal the spotlight. Not a plant or animal, but a microscopic organism that's been nourishing life for billions of years. Spirulina was a staple for the Aztecs and people around Lake Chad, prized for its stamina-boosting power. Modern science took notice when NASA considered it for astronauts, thanks to its dense nutrition and complete protein. Today, spirulina is cultivated worldwide, ensuring purity and potency. Available as powder, tablets, or capsules, it's a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern nutrition. This tiny organism offers a sustainable, powerful solution to our dietary needs. Spirulina is more than a superfood, it's a nutritional revolution. Spirulina's protein content is impressive, but its benefits go much further. It's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids in a highly bioavailable form. Dried spirulina is up to 70% protein by weight, virtually unmatched in nature. It's also a powerhouse of iron, delivering more per gram than eggs, and it's highly absorbable. Spirulina's unique antioxidant, phycocyanin, fights inflammation and cellular damage far beyond what eggs offer. Packed with B vitamins, including hard-to-find B12 and chlorophyll, it supports energy, detoxification, and overall vitality. Eggs are nutritious, but spirulina brings a spectrum of benefits they simply can't match. It's not just a protein source, it's a complete nutritional package. That's what sets spirulina apart. Adding spirulina to your life is easy and flexible. The most popular form is powder, just a teaspoon in your smoothie juice, or yogurt does the trick. If the taste isn't for you, capsules and tablets offer a tasteless, convenient alternative. Start with a small dose, about 1 teaspoon or a few tablets daily, and increase as you get comfortable. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Consistency is key. Always choose spirulina from reputable brands, ensuring it's tested for purity and free from contaminants. Look for organic certification and transparent sourcing. With the right product, you get all the benefits without the risks. Spirulina fits any lifestyle, making powerful nutrition simple. It's never been easier to upgrade your daily routine. Let's compare spirulina and eggs, gram for gram. In 100 grams, eggs provide about 13 grams of protein. Spirulina delivers a staggering 60-70 grams. For iron, eggs offer 1.2 milligrams, while spirulina packs in 28.5 milligrams, over 20 times more. Spirulina's B vitamin content, especially B1, B2, and B3, often surpasses that of eggs, though its B12 bioavailability is debated. Antioxidants? Spirulina's phycocyanin offers anti-inflammatory power eggs can't match. Spirulina also provides this nutrition with fewer calories and less fat. Eggs are wholesome, but spirulina is in a league of its own for nutritional density. It's a concentrated source of protein, minerals, and antioxidants. The numbers don't lie, spirulina is the clear winner in this showdown. For those seeking maximum nutrition, spirulina is the ultimate upgrade. Eggs remain a staple, but spirulina redefines what's possible from a single food. The verdict: spirulina is the true superfood champion. Ready to make the switch? Who benefits most from spirulina? The answer: almost everyone, but especially certain groups. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts get muscle repair, stamina, and faster recovery. Vegans and vegetarians find a rare, complete plant protein and a potent iron source. Busy professionals enjoy a quick, sustained energy boost and immune support. Anyone seeking proactive health, graceful aging, or recovery from illness can benefit from spirulina's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory power. It's a simple way to fill nutritional gaps and support overall vitality. Spirulina isn't just for special diets. It's for anyone wanting to invest in their long-term well-being. One small addition, big results. Who wouldn't want that? The verdict is clear: spirulina outshines the egg in nearly every nutritional category. It's not just about protein. Spirulina delivers iron, antioxidants, and a spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals. Its efficiency means you get more nutrition in less space with less environmental impact. Spirulina is sustainable, requiring minimal resources and helping the planet as it nourishes you. It's a complete protein energy booster and detox aid, all in one. This isn't about replacing eggs, but about embracing a new level of nutrition. Spirulina bridges ancient wisdom and modern science, making it a smart addition to any diet. For athletes, parents, or anyone seeking better health, spirulina is a powerful ally. It's earned its place in your kitchen and your life. We've explored the science and seen spirulina's potential. Now it's your turn to act. Don't just watch, try spirulina for yourself. Start small. Add a teaspoon to your smoothie or take a couple of capsules daily. Give it 2 to 4 weeks and notice the changes in your energy, recovery, and well-being. Track your experience and share it with others. Your story could inspire someone else. Join the growing community discovering the benefits of this ancient superfood. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone and embrace something new. Find a reputable source, start your trial, and listen to your body. You have nothing to lose and a world of vitality to gain. It's your turn to thrive. Take the first step today. See what this incredible green powerhouse can do for you.